SOLIDWORKS is a great CAD package for creating your assemblies, but when it comes to creating your assembly instructions, there are some limitations. This is where SOLIDWORKS Composer comes in. Your assembly data can be imported into SOLIDWORKS Composer, and then you can break it down, hiding and showing relevant areas or subassemblies. You can then use actors such as hammers, screwdrivers, nails, arrows, labels to illustrate how your product goes together. This is great from a manufacturing point of view, as it will show operators on how to assemble the products, or even for your end customer if you were to put together an assembly guide to send them out. In addition to this, you can also create animations. This can be used to show your customer through a walkthrough of the product, to show them what is included, show them the different items, or you could also use this to show them how to assemble the product as well. With all the views created, showing the different aspects of how the product is assembled, these can be exported out as images. High-resolution images, such as JPEGs, PNGs, and many more, can be exported. These can be then imported into PowerPoint, Word formats, and so on, and later exported to PDF. Once exported, these images can then be dropped into your Word documents and linked up, retaining the link. So if any changes do happen in the assembly, these can be updated at a later date. I hope this video has given you an overview of what SOLIDWORKS Composer can do with your CAD data.